Alright, so students, if they don't see the assignments here, of course they can come up here. And as a student, once it loads, theirs will look slightly different, but here's an issue we ran into that I wanted to let you know. When a student gets an assignment, and if they were to click on this document and you're expecting them to edit this document, if they just click it, if they're using the app, it'll just go straight into here. Ignore this because I was playing around with it, but they can't edit it right here. So in order for them to edit it before they turn it in, they'll have to click this, and the best bet is probably opening Word Online. And then as they change it, like I did before, insert picture, choose file, logo again. And so now it's saved. So when they close this, let's go back to Teams, it'll be done, and then they can click Turn In somewhere up here. But make sure they do that. That's it.